your unexpected ally at sea.
Art. While life at sea is often seen as adventurous, art appreciation can be a valuable companion during long journeys. Art appreciation goes beyond museums and teaches you to see the world in new ways, like understanding a nautical chart as a work of art. It's not just paintings. Analyzing ship models, underwater photographs, or even reading sea poems can all be forms of art appreciation. Art refines observation skills, crucial for sailors, and helps you connect with others through discussions and shared experiences. By embracing art appreciation, you become not just a skilled sailor, but also a more perceptive and well-rounded individual.
Maritime art appreciation is just not about technical skill, but also about conveying emotions tied to the sea. Elements like light and shadow can create a sense of drama during a storm. When a calm seascape with soft color might evoke tranquility.
Music. Music comes in various types and styles, ranging from traditional country music to world pop music for easily listening and vulgaries. Music has a lot of genres like rock music, hip-hop music, jazz music, electronic music, and country music. So why is it music relevant to marine education? Music in maritime education goes beyond just enjoyment. It connects students to the artistic expression of life at sea. Songs like shanties tell stories and traditions while appreciating music from various ports, culture, and understanding. Studying art in Muslim Mindanao and Cordilleras is relevant to maritime education, and it offers insights into their diverse cultural traditions, fostering appreciation and respect. Understanding their art forms promotes cultural sensitivity and during maritime interactions with coastal communities. Integrating this knowledge enriches students' experiences, fostering inclusivity and cultural awareness in the maritime community.
Understanding maritime history and culture. Art appreciation. Artworks like paintings, sculpture, or even tattoos have documented maritime life for centuries. Expand more studying. These artworks can give maritime students a deeper appreciation of the history, traditions, and culture aspects of their fields. At sea, being able to interpret visual information accurately is crucial. Art appreciations can train students to become better observers.